What's going on, everybody? Mike here with another hard reset for you today. We got a OnePlus 10T. If you have one of these and you don't know what the password is, or if you got the password or the pattern and you gotta do a hard reset on it, this is how you do it. As always, just when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone, so bear that in mind when you are doing a hard reset. So we have your volume buttons on this side, volume up and volume down, and then you have the power button on this side. You want to hold volume up and power at the same time to get the phone turned off. And we'll slide that down, make sure phone's off. Okay, once the phone is off, what you want to do is hold volume down and power button at the same time. So I'll start holding volume down and then hit the power button. And once the phone's turned on, after a few seconds, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding the volume up. So phone's on, let's keep holding the volume down until it gets there. And if you guys find this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, I'd appreciate it. From here, we can either use touch or we can use the volume buttons to navigate. So we'll use the volume down. It's for English, we'll tap English because we do need English. And then ask you to format data, reboot device, or power off. We want to format data. It's going to ask us to tap a code in. So if you have a phone with bad touch, you won't be able to do this, unfortunately, because it won't let you type anything in. So it says type in 8105. So we'll do 8105. And it'll say format data. We'll say yes, format, and now it's erasing. Once it's done erasing, you can obviously remind you, and then we can either power off, restart device. Looks like I tapped power off by accident, but that is how you do a hard reset on a OnePlus 10T. Once again, if you guys have any comments or you see a device that you don't know how to do, just drop a comment and I'll try to get that up for you. And otherwise, until next time, thanks for watching.